Welcome to another EMP Fusion tutorial. Today we're going to be diving into the Fusion Marketplace and batteries. So hop on over to fusion.emp.money and let's start at the Marketplace tab. So first of all, we're going to be talking about mENERGY. What is mENERGY? mENERGY is marketplace energy. mENERGY has a $1 equivalent, and you will use it to purchase batteries, and you'll also use it to cover all of the operating expenses linked with batteries. So we'll go over those in a minute. But first of all, let's talk about batteries. Batteries, there are currently 4 batteries available, but we have plans very soon for a lot more batteries to become available. And so currently there's 2 styles of batteries available. There's 3 different types of cash out batteries. And there's another battery called Split My Position that allows you to sell part or all of your position within EMP Fusion. So first of all, let's talk about how to purchase mENERGY. If you want to make any purchases in the marketplace of batteries, you will need to first purchase mENERGY. And there's 2 options for this. First option at the top here is you can buy small amounts of mENERGY, and you can do so using eShare, BNB, ETH, USDC, or USDT. So what you'll do is you will just simply choose the asset that you'd like to use to purchase your mENERGY. You'll type in an amount, and it will populate automatically ahead of time to tell you how much mENERGY you will receive prior to buying. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this together. We're going to go ahead and purchase. So let's go ahead and buy some mENERGY. All right. Now, the second option is to buy a power pack. A power pack means buying a whole hell of a lot more mENERGY. Now, just a word of the wise, if you are buying a power pack now, you are going to have to hold on to quite a bit of that mENERGY for future use. My mentality is if I'm buying a power pack, I'm good for the next year or 2 into the future for all the batteries I may want to purchase and all the operating costs associated with those batteries. Again, we are going to have additional batteries with additional utility within the EMP ecosystem. We're going to have additional cash out options like BTC. We're going to have partner batteries like, say, for example, Elephant Money, Drip, that you could cash out directly into. We're going to have so many options for batteries. There may even be a day when we have over 100 different battery options. And so you'll need mENERGY to purchase all of these. You'll also need mENERGY to activate them, deactivate them, claim from them, reallocate how much energy is going to each one. And so we'll go over all of that, but this is the circumstance in which you may want to purchase a power pack ahead of time because you're getting a 5%, 10%, or 15% bonus for purchasing these larger packages of mENERGY ahead of time. So the low voltage power pack will get you 262.5 mENERGY. The medium voltage power pack will get you 1,375 mENERGY, and the high voltage power pack will get you 5,750 mENERGY. Now, these eShare amounts are always fluctuating because of the price of eShare always fluctuating, so you'll have to keep an eye on how much they currently cost. But those bonus amounts are always the same. You will get a bonus for each one of these depending on which one you are purchasing. The cost for each battery currently is $15, and we don't have any plans to change that in the near future. So in this current MVP of Fusion, all of the batteries on offer are 15 mENERGY, And all of these MVP batteries will remain that way. So I've already purchased all of these batteries in this test account, but where it says already purchased, if you haven't yet purchased it, there will be a buy button. So you will go ahead and press the buy button right here where it says already purchased, and a transaction will pop up, and you can go ahead and buy it for 15 mENERGY as long as you have pre-purchased that mENERGY and you have enough to complete the transaction. Once you have purchased your batteries, you'll then go ahead and click on your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, you will see your batteries. And if you have purchased a split my position battery, you will also see a tab for it here. If you have not purchased one, this tab will not exist yet in your dashboard. But for now, let's go to the battery section and let's chat about your batteries. Just because you've purchased batteries does not mean that they're activated yet. Until you've activated them, your energy will be accumulating in your buyback and earn section. It will not collect in your batteries until you actually press this activate button. Now, really important to note, when you activate a battery, you must also choose your allocations at the same time if you own more than one cash out battery. So keep that in mind. Now, there are certain operational costs associated with batteries. Let's go through those. When you activate a battery, it will cost 1 mENERGY, so $1. When you deactivate batteries, it will cost 1 mENERGY. When you already have your batteries allocated, but you want to modify these allocations. So that means like choosing, how much of your energy rewards are going to go to each battery so that the total adds up to 100%. When you want to modify that, it will cost 1 mENERGY. And when you want to claim from your batteries, it will cost 1 mENERGY. So there's 4 circumstances which will each cost you 1 mENERGY: activating, deactivating, claiming, and modifying your allocations. And so when you are purchasing mENERGY in order to get your batteries, just keep that in mind and make sure you've purchased enough for your operating costs as well. A few things to know about your batteries. Currently, in the MVP of Fusion, the batteries have an unlimited capacity. What does that mean? It means that you can collect as much energy rewards as you'd like inside your batteries before you claim. You could claim anytime you like in the future, except that there is a minimum rewards threshold before you can claim. So you'll see here underneath your total rewards that there is a minimum claim amount, which is $15. So as long as you've hit $15 of rewards, you have the option. You can either claim right at that moment, or you could let your batteries accumulate for as long as you like after that moment and claim at any time. So once you hit that $15, you could let it accumulate for another 3, 4, 10 weeks before you claim if you'd like. It's totally up to you because they are absolutely unlimited at this time. Now, it is important to note that these are special edition, limited edition batteries that were a special bonus for early adopters. When we do release the full version of Fusion, we will be slightly modifying batteries in that we will be releasing different tiers of batteries at different costs with different varying capacities. That was the original model of Fusion. However, we wanted to release it in a more simple manner with unlimited capacities just to get everyone really used to a simplified version of how Fusion works and give everyone a bit of a bonus to begin with in order to, really get used to everything before we move on to the full, more complex version. So, you're collecting your energy inside your batteries. They reach that $15 minimum claim amount, and you want to claim. It's very simple. All you do at that time is you hit the claim button. It is separate for each battery in this circumstance, so you will have to claim from each battery separately. You'll just simply hit the claim button. It will pop up and you'll press claim. It's that simple. Now, at any time, you can adjust your allocations. If you decide, oh, I'm mostly collecting ETH right now, but I'm all of a sudden more bullish on BNB, I want to change it. So all you'd have to do is click modify and put the BNB up, put the ETH down, and then press modify. Now, if you want to deactivate your batteries and go back to BBEing, this is also how you would do it. You press modify, and you'll see at the very bottom here, there's a button that says deactivate all batteries. You would simply click that and you could deactivate all your batteries. Again, you would need to have one full mENERGY in order to do this. Now, again, just like we did in the last video, I did want to go through a couple really important circumstances in which your rewards may auto-claim for you. I don't ever want a circumstance to happen in which you think that you lost your rewards or they disappeared if your total rewards inside your batteries reset to 0. And so I want to go over a couple circumstances in which your batteries may auto-claim for you. So, circumstance number 1, say you only have 1 or 2 batteries and they're activated and you're collecting rewards inside of them, and you currently have some rewards saved inside your batteries that have not yet been claimed. And you go and you buy a 3rd battery or a 2nd battery and you activate it. In that circumstance, the rewards that you had accrued inside your other batteries that had not yet been claimed, they're going to be auto-claimed for you, and you will find them directly inside your wallet. And it does not matter what amount had already collected, they will be auto-claimed for you, and you can find them inside your wallet. A great way to verify this is to go to dbank.com and check your transactions tab, and you'll see that they have been deposited into your wallet. Another circumstance in which this may happen where your rewards get auto-claimed for you is if you have rewards inside your batteries that have not yet been claimed and you press deactivate on your batteries. That circumstance, they will be auto-claimed for you as well. A third circumstance in which your batteries will auto-claim your rewards for you is if you have rewards waiting for you inside your batteries that have not yet been claimed, and you go to modify the allocations on your batteries. Again, it does not matter what amount of rewards were waiting for you. If you change the allocations on your batteries and you had rewards waiting, they will auto-claim for you, and those rewards will be waiting for you inside your wallet. So again, we do not want any confusion or anyone to be scared. So I wanted to make sure to put this in the video. It is also found in the white paper in the allocations section. And so if you need to review this at all, you can find it there as well. I hope this video has been helpful, and we will catch you in the next one.